Hi, I'm Adamas, co-founder and CEO of Volatile AI. So at Volatile, we're on a mission to digitize smell. But what does it really mean? So smell is actually molecules which are floating all around us. And digitizing them requires correctly detecting them and identifying. And that's exactly what we're doing. Our solution combines gas sensors with AI to screen for chemical composition. It greatly simplifies the current testing methods, which require lab equipment, which is very, very costly and requires trained technicians to run. It's not so useful for production environments because it's not practical to kind of ship samples to a lab, then wait for the result, and it just takes a lot of time. What I see that quality managers want is a solution there on the floor to screen right away. Today, we are running 3 paid technology tests, among them with GF, and that is for asphalt screening through the Smart initiative. So what GF wants to know is which variant of asphalt is coming into their plant for their roofing shingles production line. This can impact the line configuration, whereas a wrong configuration can lead to delays and potentially waste. So in the prototype phase, in the first phase, what we've done, we built a dedicated instrument for GAF to screen asphalt. We then received 4 chemical formulations of it. We then tested these, gathering over 1,500 data points of these formulations. This has been a great learning experience, and we picked out a lot of things to improve. And we're super excited about the next phase, the MVP phase. So for this, our proposition is to actually improve our system based on the learnings, to adopt steel and aluminum pieces and parts to ensure that there's minimal chemical contamination inside the instrument. And it's also to adopt some of the lab testing pieces which are still useful on the plant floor. And that would be the pre-tube or a chromatography column, which would allow us to better screen chemicals. And we're super excited about this. It's not an easy task to pick out asphalt and screen it chemically. It's a very kind of stable compound, but now we know what needs to be done to achieve that. And it's not only a GAF who could benefit from such a solution. In fact, our clients today, none of them are using lab testing in a routine way. And they're not even captured by this 9 billion gas chromatography market, which is like the lab testing setup. It's a huge untapped market because chemical analysis today is super inaccessible. It's both costly and, as I was saying, it requires trained technicians to run it and takes a lot of time. Me and my co-founder Lucas started this company to make chemical analytics more accessible. Lucas has 10 years of experience building AI models, and he's also a published researcher in the field of digital smell and chemical sensing. I used to work as a strategy consultant. I also had 2 other startups. And our core advisor, Dr. Julian Gardner, has been in this field in chemical sensing since the 80s, and he has built and exited companies in the space. So thank you all.